Welcome to Forward Pass for all the latest AI news. What if any stranger could pull your face from a public Instagram post and drop it into whatever image they wanted? What if the default answer was yes, and you had to hunt through settings to say no? That's the Muse image story in one sentence. Meta shipped the capable new image model this week, but the model isn't really the story, the distribution is. Meta wired Muse into Instagram, WhatsApp, and the Meta AI app on day one. Then it turned every public Instagram profile into raw material for other people's generations. By default. Opt out, not opt in. That's the piece worth watching, and that's where this video is going. Let's cover the model quickly. Muse Image is the first in-house image generator from Meta's Superintelligence Labs. According to the company, it's not just a single diffusion pass. It works as an agent. It can call tools like code execution and web search to refine its own output before it hands you a picture. Same architectural shape as OpenAI's GPT, Image 2, according to the reporting. Meta also teased a Muse video preview alongside it. The stated use cases are advertising, decorating, and creator work. Ads first, honestly. Advertisers get exclusive early access. Everyone else gets it inside Instagram. Stories effects and the Meta AI app. Now the part drawing the pushback. Muse ships with an IB mention feature. If your Instagram profile is public, another user can IB mention you and generate a new image using your photos without asking. No explicit consent flow, no prompt on your end based on the coverage. Meta says you can turn it off. But you have to know the feature exists. Then you have to find the setting. That's what opt-out means in practice. For a capability that touches your likeness, that's a heavy default to move past quietly. Think about the actual exposure. Anyone who kept an Instagram public for reach, small creators, small businesses, public-facing professionals, anyone building a portfolio. Their photos are now discoverable inputs for a generative model that other users can actively point at faces. Deepfakes of ordinary people are the concern the coverage keeps returning to. Meta's framing is playful. Remix your friend into a beach scene. The other reading is more direct. Consent got moved from a checkbox to a chore, and chores don't get done. Here's where it gets more interesting. According to the reporting, the opt-out model is likely to collide with both the GDPR and the EU AI Act. Both frameworks treat likeness and biometric adjacent data as needing affirmative consent, not a buried toggle in an app. Meta has fought this exact fight before over training data opt-outs in Europe. It had to back down. Expect the same pattern here. Regulators move slowly. Enforcement, when it eventually lands, tends to land hard. So what's the read forward? 3 things worth tracking. 1. Expect Meta to quietly change the default in the EU, then argue the US rollout is fine as it stands. That's the playbook. 2. Watch how loudly this backlash actually lands. Other platforms are watching. If it's loud, this becomes the ceiling for consent defaults across the whole industry. If it's quiet, it becomes the floor. 3. The model itself matters less than what Meta just demonstrated. The fastest way to scale a generative product right now isn't a better model. It's bolting a decent one onto a social graph you already own. That's the real competitive edge, not the weights, the pipe. And that's the part OpenAI and Google can't easily copy. If your Instagram is public, check your settings tonight. Opt out if you want to. Then watch Europe over the next few weeks. That's where this story tells you where it's actually going. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for all the latest AI news.